Now, if you've been dealing with issues like a leaky gut or chronic diarrhea, food sensitivity, seasonal allergies, recurring infections, and your diet is becoming increasingly restrictive, IgG might be something worth knowing more about. So in today's video, I'm going to explain what IgG is and how it works, how immunoglobulin G helps both your gut and your immune system, the types and conditions where I see it making the biggest difference.
Autoimmune disorder may occur if antibodies mistake the body's own tissues for invaders.
So what is IgG? Well, IgG stands for immunoglobulin G, and it's the most abundant antibody in our bodies. Antibodies are proteins that your immune system uses to identify and neutralize pathogens, toxins, and antigens. Now, if supplement form, IgG is typically derived from bovine serum or even colostrum. And these sources contain high concentrated amounts of this. And when you take this orally, it can bind to microbes, it can bind to the toxins inside your gut and help your immune system clear these things out. But here's the key. Most of the immune system, roughly 70%, is located in your gut. And when your gut barrier is inflamed or leaky, your immune system can get stuck into overdrive, leading to symptoms like food reactions and food sensitivities, seasonal or environmental allergies, or recurring infections, and even chronic autoimmune relapses. By binding and neutralizing microbial fragments and toxins, IgG supplements can reduce this constant immune activation, this burden, which in turn allows your gut and your immune system to calm down and start healing. So for people with leaky gut or chronic gut inflammation, maybe chronic elevated calprotectin levels, IgG supplements can be incredibly helpful. And here's why. Like I mentioned, they bind to bacterial toxins like LPS, which are inflammatory fragments from gut bacteria that leak into our bloodstream when your gut barrier becomes compromised. Essentially, what they do is they help neutralize these triggers so that your immune system doesn't have to constantly fight them, and in turn supports the healing of the gut lining by reducing that inflammation. Now, again, I often use IgG supplements in patients with IBS, IBD, Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, patients with chronic diarrhea or post-infectious gut issues. I use it with patients who have SIBO and dysbiosis, where again, there's a lot of microbial load, and really anyone who has this leaky gut. So by reducing immune activation and lowering these inflammatory triggers, IgG can give the gut what I call breathing room it needs to start repairing itself. Now, because IgG supplements calm down gut-driven immune activation, they can also help people struggling with allergies and overactive immune system responses.